Greetings, Earthlings. This is the Mad Lane Producer Hub, bringing you producer intel and whatnot. Today's topic is FL Studio worth it in 2026. So, just going to talk about my take on where FL Studio is now. So, I think to answer the question, yeah, I always say FL is probably one of the best programs you can buy, like digitally, like on Earth, dang near. Like for the price and what you get back, potentially, definitely worth it. Like you can make a lot of money with FL Studio, and you can make a lot of music with FL Studio. And I'm just talking about just like the stock and from stock stuff. Now, is it worth it in 2026? It's more worth it now than it was in 2023 or 2, so, because they keep updating it. So you get lifetime free updates. So click on the link in the description. You'll get to this page. That is my affiliate link. So you can purchase these products, and I get credit for it. Yeah. No extra cost, but basically like that's one of their main selling points here. Lifetime free updates. They have it right here. With paid edition, you get all future updates for free forever. So like the producer edition that I got like 10 years ago, I still get all the updates that they get, like all the added instruments, all the added stuff. Like they added flex pretty recently. So they keep what I like about them is they keep adding to the products, keeping the price stable, but they just keep adding to the products to make it more and more valuable. So it's even more valuable now than it used to be. So and FL speaks for itself. Like I actually like how they redesigned the page here. Number one doll, absolutely. I think, especially in rap, trap, hip hop, I think it's like the doll. The reason I like it is because it is the number one doll, as in like there's a lot of resources for it, and it's so popular that like it's very well fleshed out, or like it's very well like you could find something for everything. Like if you have any issue, you'll be able to fix it or find some type of video or something for it because it's just so popular. That's one of the benefits of using something that's super popular. You know, a lot of people using it. A lot of people talk about it. So like you'll probably, if you're making beats and you're trying to work with other artists, a lot of other artists are working with FL Studio too. So that's where it also comes in handy. Like if you're the only one using, say, another DAW, um, and no one else has that DAW, then it can be a lonely road. So that's something to consider too. Now I've heard people say FL Studio is like for kids. I've heard a guy say that in a forum once, and I think it's for everybody. I think it's easier to pick up. It's kind of like the DAW. Another cool feature that I like is that you can upgrade the price. So, say for example, you want to start off just buying the free edition, you can upgrade to the producer edition and just pay the difference. So you would pay $80 instead of just paying 179. So again, I recently purchased the all plugins edition after having the producer edition for about 10 years. So I recently upgraded and then I just paid the difference, which was like around like 200 something dollars. So that's really neat of them to do that as well. So it is the doll. I highly recommend it, and I use it myself personally. So, and before you go, hopefully that helps make your decision. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment. I'll be happy to answer. Also, check out our music producer starter kit. There's a link in the description for this as well. So if you're new, we put together this starter kit that shows like a lot of resources to like kind of like just stabilize what you're doing so you can understand what's going on. I could just go through it real quick, like for example, like my take on laptops, FL Studio, got a link to that. MIDI keyboards that I recommend. I've used all of these. headphones I use, stuff like that. So it can kind of like get you up to speed really quick. There's some free resources here, free course here too. So it's a really nice resource. And yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. It's Matt Lane, Producer Hub. Peace out.